Welcome! In this video, we'll look at how to create our production areas. In the previous video, we bound the fields. The next step is to create the areas and buffers. And it all happens right inside the visual. You add an area with the Add Area button in the top right corner. Clicking it opens a small pop-up where you first choose the area type: a production, a quality, or a buffer area. I'll create a production area, so I leave it as is and give it a name. Let's say forming. Here I could set the preceding and the next connected area, but this is my first area, so I just save it. And there it is. The area is created. If you go back to the pipeline map, it shows up there too. Here comes the next area. Add area again, another production area named Hub Machining. It already offers the area we just made as a predecessor, but for now we're only creating areas, so I save. Now we have two areas. On the pipeline map, you can see they're not connected yet. They sit under each other, with no relationship between them. We'll create those later. Now let me show how to add a buffer area. Add area again, but this time I choose a buffer area, named Stock. For a buffer, a different panel appears. Here I select the area we set up during field binding. I need the stock buffer. I pick it, and you can see the buffer is bound nicely. The next one we could add would be a quality area. I'll skip that for now because it's a separate topic. I'll show it once the area is fully built. As you create the areas, they appear in a row at the top, in the order you created them, but this isn't the production order yet. On the pipeline map, our created areas are all there, but not connected yet. In the next video, we'll connect them all into a clean flow. Thanks for watching.